thinking about the sale of our home, I was incredibly impressed with Rochelle and the folks at Century 21. I interviewed a number of realtors in the community, and I asked them all to present me with their best ideas for marketing our home. Rochelle was the only one that came out with a truly unique plan that really highlighted the significant selling features of our home. I was confident after reviewing the plan that it would sell. It did sell. It sold quickly. We got everything from the transaction that we had hoped for, and we are just really impressed and truly grateful for the work that she put into selling our home. I would recommend Rochelle and the Century 21 organization to anybody looking to buy or sell a home.
Well, thank you. Anything specific that you want to say about the marketing that was done on your home?
Well, going back to that marketing plan, the part that was so impressive about it was how Rochelle highlighted the features that were significant about our home and then incorporated those features into a very impactful video. The photographs were just truly amazing. It really represented our house without exception, every bit as good as it really is. Even the photographs taken from the drone really showed how impressive the property was. So potential buyers had no questions in their mind when they came to look at what they were going to see. Very impressed.
Perfect. Gene, any closing remarks? Okay.
You said it all.
He said it all. All right. Well, congratulations on the sale of your house and squatters, and thank you for allowing us to work with you.
Yep, thank you so much. We appreciate you.
Contact me, Rochelle Roesler, Century 21, and I'll help you score big with this remarkable home. Look us up at Century 21 FM Realty.
We are the key to finding your dream home.
Century 21 FM Realty, your key to finding your dream home.